Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a Alfredo chicken with cauliflower. It's easy to make and it's very fast meal. If you don't have time, just go for it. We're gonna start here with a little bit of oil in a casserole. And I have half of the sauce on a pan here. And we will add the chicken on top of it. I have here around 6 pieces of chicken strips. And you can use chicken strips or chicken breast, whatever you have. And we're gonna add some salt here and a little bit of black pepper. I have here washed small florets. We're gonna add a little bit salt on it and some olive oil. Mix it, and add it to the chicken. And here we're gonna add the rest of the jar. And we're gonna add a sprinkle of paprika here and another sprinkle of garlic powder. And we will finish it here with the fresh parsley on the top. Now put it in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. Here we go, it's been 45 minutes. It smells so good right here. And I add some parmesan cheese in the middle of the cooking. If you want to add that tip, you can do it. It's very good. So that was my meal today. It's very easy to make. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.